Security tools are here to help development teams or other security analysts to either discover bugs in the code base or prove the absence of bugs in the code base. Formal guarantees from security tools are important because these are the only tools that can essentially help development teams or security analysts essentially be confident about the results of a tool. So depending on what type of tool you are using, that means that if the tool says that a vulnerability doesn't exist in the system, that guarantees that such a vulnerability doesn't exist. Or if it finds a vulnerability, that means that a vulnerability is an actual vulnerability. So that helps development teams increase their confidence on these security tools and also save them time as they go over the results of these things. There are several ways that the development teams can use such tools in their development cycle. The first one is a kind of like a plug and play security model. And what we mean by this is all of these tools usually come with a set of predefined checks that detect common vulnerabilities in the ecosystem that they are developed to work for. So, and another way that development teams can use these tools is by customizing them for their protocol. So, every protocol has a set of security checks that they need to impose. These type of tools have the ability to be customized for the specific protocols and perform checks and find vulnerabilities as the development teams develop their code base. What have we seen happening in practice is that development teams at the initial stages of their development, when they don't have the full version of the protocol set in stone, they use the plug and play mode of the tools where they constantly check for common vulnerabilities in the ecosystem to make sure that they don't have this type of bugs in their code base. And once they have a more final version of the whole protocol and they know what type of checks they need to be happening constantly, then they go ahead and customize the security tools and let them run continuously as they develop. AuditHub can help with this because it provides a set of tools, 2 tools for DeFi project and 2 tools for ZK projects, all of which provide formal guarantees. And both can have scans for common vulnerabilities in the ecosystem and also can be customized to find specific bugs to the protocol as the development team is producing code.